This plant is called Calotropis Procera. Calotropis Procera. In Ghana, it is called Wagashi leaf or Wagashi Herbal in tree. This Calotropis Procera or Calotropis gigantea, this plant has a lot of health benefits. Look at one. It has a lot of health benefits. This is the fleshy growing one. Look at how it looks at. Look at the leaves. Look at between the twig. These are fresh leaves that are growing. You can see it for yourself. This plant is always found in your backyard, closer to your house. And to be frank, you really don't know the health benefit of this plant. I want to uproot it so that you can see the root. This is the root of the plant. There is the leaves. These the leaves. Look at it so closely and see whether you can be able to identify it. Look at it between the stalks, the leaves. These are the branches. It doesn't have the branches. The leaves are closely related to it. You can see it. This is a very powerful plant which has a lot of health benefits. This plant is antibacterial, antiviral. This plant is also even anti-diabetic. It can even helps against diabetes and many other health problems. This is the young growing plant. So look at it very well. Look at it very, very well. You can see this plant in your backyard. It's a very good and medicinal plant. It has a lot of benefit. This one also is also another growing plant. Look at it very well. Look at it. So I hope by now you can be able to identify Calotropis Procera or gigantea. In tree it says Wagashi leaf. This in tree it is used to curdle milk so that it does not spoil. There's a certain food in Ghana we use milk to prepare. It's called Wagashi. So this plant is also being used to preserve it so that it will not spoil, which also add a medicinal benefit to the Wagashi, or let's say the preparation that they made using milk. So when you look at this one, you can see the flowers. These are the flowers. These are the flowers of the plant. Very beautiful flowers, of course. It's a very beautiful flowers. Look at it so closely. This is the fruit. This fruit. This is the fruit of Calotropis Procera. With a very nice flowers. This is the dry leaves. This is dry leaves or dry fruit. Look at it very closely. These are the seeds. Look at it. This contains a foamy structure like cotton, which help disperse the seeds to everywhere. Look at it. So you can see the dispersion being taking place. So this is Calotropis Procera. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more powerful videos such as this. You can look at the tap root of the plant. This is the tap root of the plant. Look at it so closely. Okay. This is the foamy material.